Hello, my name is Michael. I'm a learning specialist here at Lehigh Kerman Community College, and welcome to 60 Seconds to Success. Today we're going to be talking about one of the classic ideas in problem solving, root cause analysis, right? So if there's a problem, maybe you're not motivated, maybe you have a conflict, maybe there's something else going on that you want to solve, ask yourself why. And then ask yourself why. And then ask yourself why. And then ask yourself why. And ask yourself why. This may seem silly, right? If you have a problem, do this type of analysis. But sometimes asking why, sometimes as many as 5 times, can get you that root cause of things. And once you understand the root cause of the problem, it's much easier to solve the problem. Have a good one, everybody.